Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala Rasulihi Nabiyil Kareem. My name is Hafiz Ahmed. I'm Imam and teacher at Faizan Rasool Education Center. Faizan Rasool Education Center and Mosque is located on Jules Lane, Warden, Birmingham. Alhamdulillah, our Idara was established in 2005 and it was established by Allama Mufti Rasool Sayyidi Sahab, who is a well-known scholar in UK, and Allama Rasool Sayyidi Sahab has produced many British-born scholars who are passing on the knowledge of the deen in UK and around the world. Alhamdulillah, at our Idara, currently we are running kids classes, boys and girls, and Alhamdulillah, around 200 kids, they attend the madrasa every single day. We teach our children Quran Sharif with Tajweed, and we also have Quran Sharif Hifz classes. And we have helped many of our students to complete their Quran Sharif memorization. We teach our students Islamic studies, basic Islamic fiqh, manners and etiquettes in Islam, Hadith Sharif, and more importantly, we teach our children their duties towards their parents and towards their elders. And Alhamdulillah, we also offer our students extracurricular activities such as reading nasheeds and to take part in sports. And we also train our children to grow up to be good role models in deen and in the society. And Alhamdulillah, our youngsters love coming to the madrasa. We would like to invite our community, our people, to benefit from your local education center and show your love towards the deen and support your local mosque. And inshallah, you'll be rewarded in this world and in the hereafter.